I'm afraid, because I won't stop talking as you, Małgorzata.
The floor is yours now. Go ahead.
Okay, so I have some questions to you guys, because you are the one that are contributing to knowledge. I'm considering joining this program, and I was wondering, what besides the Mike's knowledge and not bringing another COVID, I hope, to the lectures and to the meetings, what things can you bring to the group that will convince me? Because I learn a lot from the internet. I read a lot of books. I join a lot of meetups, and I would like to. Yeah, I know it would probably sound for me like I was expecting from you like a sales speech, but the thing that will convince me that this is the best idea for me for the next year, to join a group and spend each, I don't know, one weekend a month in Warsaw. What I can expect from this?
That's a really good question.
Can I add some comments to this? Hi, it's Monica.
Of course.
Hi. So I just want to share, I was a participant of the first TMA, and I don't know, Mike, Gosia, Przemek, if you recognize this. Funny picture, not a very good one. But,
yes, I think so, yes.
Yeah, we've got this,
exactly. So
your thesis, yeah. So I love it a lot.
So that is actually what I took out. Well, a big part of what I took out. It's a summary of all the things that we've been told, and we've been talking about, and we've been asked to think about. Because I like learning as well. I like reading, and I do have interest in all sorts of things. So if you looked at my library of books, I will read about dinosaurs, I will read scientific books, history, crime, all sorts of things. Interests, But what I got from and that's what we do. If we're careful, we will see opportunity to learn things, or we will say, oh, that's an interesting fact, and then you forget it. What I've actually learned, and that's shows that I've got it by my desk all the time. It keeps reminding me to come back to those things. So all the things that guys were saying today, about mindfulness, about staying curious, or that's actually, I don't know if you can see, but it's there. Stay curious. And that's something that I just, whenever I'm frustrated or I come across a problem, I look at it, because it helps me sort things out, and it helps me put things in perspective. Again, perhaps coming back to the COVID topic, but I think what I've learned is exactly to stop for a minute and to think about, how people see things, how people see the situation, the problem. Because sometimes I thought, oh, it's easy for me. Why can't others do it the same way, or look at it the same way? But no, everyone has their own way of thinking, or their own map of the world. And things make sense differently to them. So there are lots of small things that really caught my attention during the studies, but those things I actually managed to put in writing, and I keep coming back to it, and I find it really useful also in my everyday life. So it's not just about how to cope with work, how to work with people, but it helps in everyday life as well.
Thank you. Now it looks like it was staged. I was asking the question, Monica jumped in. Really great job, guys.
Yeah.
How did you know I was going to ask the question?
If I just say, Monica, you know, it's
also I didn't plan to join because I didn't have that much time. But I thought, oh, I'll see if you're still there.
I'm glad you did.
I was surprised. I'm very happy. Yeah, thank you.
You can tell I'm not dressed up even.
Yeah,
you look great. You look great.
Monica, that was wonderful. Thank you. And yes, again, everyone else, one of the things that's going to happen when you come and join us is that at some point in the future, somebody that you've interacted with is going to do what Monica just did for us and for me. Okay, so I can't tell you, this was what, first year, so four years ago, whatever it was. Okay, to know that somebody has taken the learning that we shared and things that we said that were, I share stuff with you that's important to me. It matters to me. I believe in it. So to have somebody come back all this time later and say, actually, some of what you said is shaping my life. I go back to it time and time again. That's just wonderful feedback. I feel absolutely great now. And at some point in the future, if you come and join us, you're going to be feeling the same as well, because somebody you influence, somebody you manage, somebody you lead, or somebody you just have a chance conversation with is going to say to you, hey, Nixie, do you remember that thing you said to me 5 years ago? I've never forgotten that. So that's what you're going to get. Okay. Everything that I'm going to tell you on leadership, on leader as coach, on building teams, on communication, all of those things you can get on the internet, because that's where I don't get it all. You know, I've done courses, I've worked, I've gathered experience. I get lots of stuff from the internet. I still read lots, and I try and share with people on the course the things that. So my course is constantly changing as I learn new things. But you can get it all as well, because you can do the same thing I do. You can go to the internet, you can read books. Okay, what you will get from certainly my sessions is that you will find out about yourself. I'll go back to what I said earlier on the call. Okay, I'm not going to let you off the hook, because I know what you're capable of, even if you don't know it yourself. And that's the feedback I get from others who've been on the course, you know, and you heard it from some of the others earlier on. It's about finding out about yourself. That's all I can offer. I hope it's enough. I would love to spend time working with you.